Sonosite M Turbo mainboard and Nest frame replacement. Welcome to Fujifilm Sonosite service training on the Sonosite M Turbo. This series covers breakdown of the Sonosite M Turbo into its component service assemblies. In this video, we will cover removal of the main and Nest frame from the system. It is important that proper precautions are taken during servicing to protect the system and its internal components from electrostatic discharge. It is recommended that all work be performed on an ESD safe mat and that a grounding strap be worn by whomever is performing the service. Always ensure the system is powered off and disconnected from AC before servicing. When reinstalling boards, ensure that the proper torque is applied and that screws are tightened in a crisscross pattern with power drivers set to low speed to minimize stress on the boards. For this portion of servicing the Sonosite M Turbo, you will need a No. 1 Phillips screwdriver bit and a torque driver set to 5.5 inch-pounds. You may find it helpful to use an ice cube tray to keep screws and parts organized. To remove the main board from the system, you will first need to remove the control panel and power supply board assembly. See the M Turbo control panel and display replacement, and M Turbo power supply board, SD card, and speaker replacement videos for removal of these assemblies. Remove the TGC board by first disconnecting the flex cable from the main board and TGC board. Be careful not to break or lose the release tabs. Remove the 2 screws securing the TGC board. Turn the system over and pull the 3 TGC knobs off. Remove the 3 screws securing the main board to the bottom enclosure. Turn the system over. Locate and remove the Nest frame screws. The Nest frame can now be removed from the system. If the Nest frame interposer plate is not black, the interposers can spill out. Care must be taken not to turn the Nest frame over during removal or installation. If they do spill out, the interposers are keyed so they can only go back in one way. When reinstalling the Nest frame, take care to align the larger alignment bosses in the correct holes to ensure proper mating of the Nest frame. Otherwise, the system will not recognize that transducers are connected. The main board can now be removed by lifting at the edge nearest the handle. There may be some resistance due to adhesion caused by the thermal pads underneath. If assistance with ordering parts or isolating repairs is needed, please contact Fujifilm Sonosite technical support.